Hey everybody, it's Anna Todd, and today we're going to talk about the YouTube membership we're rolling out tomorrow.
When is that going to happen?
It's going to happen tomorrow. That's what I said, tomorrow.
Oh, you had already said that?
I already said tomorrow.
Oh, okay. I wasn't listening.
All right, so do you know what the YouTube membership is, Tom?
Do I know what the...
Jiggle your leg. Do you know what the YouTube membership is, Tom?
You're going to tell me about it.
Okay, I am. So there are 3 levels to the YouTube membership, and this is something that you can do right on YouTube by pushing the join button as soon as you see it. So it's super easy to join.
Right.
And you get everything through YouTube.
Right. So it'll be super easy to enjoy.
And super easy to enjoy. So basically what you're going to get if you become a member of Ann Clay the Primitive Home, you are going to get more of us.
What a treat.
What a treat. All right, so here's how it goes. There's the Clan Clay, or the Clay Clan.
The Clan Clay?
The Clay Clan.
The Clay Clan.
The Clay Clan.
Good name.
And the Clay Clan costs $1.99 a month. That's what the membership fee is.
That's a bargain.
It's a bargain. And what you get is you get these emojis and these badges that go behind your name. So every month that you're in the Clay Clan, you get a new badge. And you get these emojis that you can use when we're doing lives.
Oh, cool.
And when they're making comments. They're these special emojis that nobody has.
So do I have to create training to teach them how to use the emojis?
No, I think hopefully they'll just get the emojis and know how to use them. I created the emojis and they were fun.
Okay.
That was fun. Yes. No
training. That means they'll have fun using them.
You should have really a lot of fun using them. So the Clay Clan gets the emojis and the Clay Clan gets to experience a live once a month with us.
That'll be good.
Yep, and that's for all the members. So that's the Clay Clan, and the other members all get this live once a month with us.
Okay.
So that's what you get if you're a Clay Clan.
Okay.
Okay? Second tier is, drum roll please, do you know what I could call it? It's the Homestead Homies.
Homestead Homies.
Because we live on a homestead. And if you're a Homestead Homie, that means you want to watch some more of what we have to offer. So we are going to give you bonus videos throughout the month, and they will be unplugged.
Ooh.
Yeah, raw, unplugged.
Raw?
The real us. The real, don't shake the camera. The real us. The real us. So think about that carefully.
So does that mean that thus far we're just a persona?
Well, that means that I edit the videos, and those videos are not going to be edited. Those are going to be behind the scenes. They're going to be bloopers. You know, I don't show everything that we do on the channel.
Okay.
I record a lot of things, but I don't show everything.
Yeah?
No, yeah.
Okay. Good.
So you're going to get to see things that I don't normally show on the channel. So I think that's going to be like really fun. Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
Based on my experience of life with you,
yeah,
might be kind of fun.
Might be kind of fun. So you're going to also get the emojis and access to the lives, but you're going to get that in addition. And I think that's, super cool. So that's $4.99 a month membership. Okay. And then, or you can be the Prim and Proper group.
Ah.
Now that Prim and Proper group is the, Diamond Cadillac group. They are getting everything that we're talking about. Plus they are getting discounts to the store, like a 10% discount. They also get to upload their own pictures to me, and I'll make them into shower curtains, whatever else they want to have ordered on the store.
So what you're saying is that if they have a picture that they want on a shower curtain, they can upload it to you, and then you'll do the artwork to transform it into something that can be put on a shower curtain, unless it's just already in that.
Right. Well, basically, I'll be resizing the JPEG. I won't be creating the artwork. That's a lot more than a $24 monthly thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll be doing the JPEG and then...
and uploading it for them so that they can purchase the product.
Okay. Well, solves the technology challenges.
Right.
So I just need to understand.
It's to solve their technology challenges. And also, they get one free download a month of one of my little downloads on my website, so they can do crafts and stuff with them.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
So that is what we're offering. It's really easy. You just join. Now, if you are not able to do that, we of course understand, and our channel is not going to change. You're still going to get 2 videos a week and occasional lives. So nothing's going to change for the regular group because
right.
we love you all.
Right.
You know, but if you want a little more, we're making it available for more time with us.
Right.
Also, you can join Facebook and Ann Clay the Primitive Home, or follow me on Instagram, Ann Clay the Primitive Home, and there's more access to us that way.
Yep.
So we're gonna roll that out tomorrow, guys. We just want to thank you all for watching us, for thumbs upping us, for commenting, for encouraging us. We appreciate you guys more than you will ever know.
Yep. Absolutely. Thank you.
I think you need some coffee. You're a little dizzy.
I've been up since.
We've been up early.